Just a quick video on the 87 through 88 TRX250R. The 86 through 89 250R are almost all identical. These are both 87 to 88, so they both have a key. The 86 does not have a key. 86 is going to be 2 wires short right here. You're going to have just, I believe, this wire on the 86, just the stock kill switch. This is a key on the 87 to 88. Now on the 89, the harness looks identical also, except for that these two bullets right here are not bullets. They actually use this connector for the stator. So 89 would look like that per se. So I offer all three, the 86, 87 through 88, and 89. Just to go over what they look like. I'm always wanting to, someone always asks, do you have a picture of one or something? And I never take the time to take a video or picture of them when they're built. So I'm making a point to start saving these so I can show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It lays on the left frame rail just like the stock harness. You have the little frame straps to hold it in. Each breakout will come out at the appropriate component. Like this would be your coil, this will come out at your stator, this will come out at the light switch, key, stop switch, and your CDI. And I mean, they'll come out right at it. This is modeled after an OEM harness, so everything's going to be everything's within half an inch of being where it needs to be. It's really close, if not dead on. If anything, it's going to be a hair longer, because I would rather you have a little extra length than not enough, of course. So the tail light goes all the way back here. Factory connectors, factory color wire. All wires are matching to OEM color, in case for some reason anything ever needs to be traced. So there it is.